Hey guys, so it is, what is it, Friday the 26th, I believe. We had kind of a day of fun planned here, but the weather is not cooperating. We're headed down to GreenBay. We're going to the Tall Ship Festival. And we've already seen like smidgens of this in Menominee, Michigan there. But there's 9 ships here, and it's much bigger, much better, and so we're gonna go and check it out. We'd like to go for a sailboat ride, but those tickets were sold out weeks before they even announced they were even coming here. So we'll just have to enjoy the festivities and look at the boats, I guess. But yeah, it's kind of a rainy, dreary day today. Not exactly as warm as I was expecting. It's only in the mid-70s, if that. 68. Oh my goodness. It's supposed to get to 79 today, but I am not too hopeful on that. I guess we'll see what happens. What, buddy? Oh, okay. So anyway, guys, we will keep you updated and let you know when we get there and show you around. Okay, so we're here, kind of. We're in a part of GreenBay that I've never been before. Next to Sushi Lover, Katana Tattoo, the Cannery, Public Market. And I have a feeling that we are not going to be able to find any easily accessible parking. It's a big event. I had no idea it was this big.
Eclectic cuisine and lounge.
Wow.
I think this is the hipster part of town.
I think it is too.
And we have a sushi place next door to Tattoos with eclectic cuisine. Then we got Bangkok Garden, Thai food restaurant.
Patton Place. Say that twice.
Patton Place, Patton Place.
Yeah. Yeah, I was definitely a hipster right there. Parking entrance.
I bet you had to pay for it.
Alright guys, so we're on top of the parking garage here and there's the boats. Now we just gotta hike that mile or so and get to the event. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Let's go down the elevator.
Alright. And I hit the curb with the back tire, but it looks okay. I don't hear no air hissing, or it doesn't look like the rim is bent, so still getting used to this thing, this car. We're going down or up?
Up.
You sure about that?
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh.
We're going down.
Boom!
No cash accepted in exit lane.
Downtown GreenBay.
I see police cars.
Yeah, uh-oh, they're gonna bust you. No, hey! It's actually an interesting read, guys. Pause it and take a look. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, pirate ship.
Yeah, we'll get over there. Don't worry.
I think, boy, those are serious ships. Alright. So we're in, $40 later. Hopefully it's worth it. Now look at this, buddy. Look at a big rope. So this drives, I assume. That's pretty cool. Let's not get away from Mom too far here. Yeah, wow. Yeah. That's the rudder. Oh, looking.
You know what that is, Jack? Mast.
Yeah.
What are these?
Those are the oars. Yeah. It's like an underwater drone, buddy.
Just for a little bit.
Alright. Thanks. In order to get the thing, we take some of these off.
Look at the little motors. That's crazy.
Yeah, that is.
Let's go on the other side, guys. Come here. Look like snowmobile headlights. Old snowmobile headlights. What is this? Watch out. Okay. Two-man submarine.
We walked the one that we walked on. Just
Wow.
putting it down now.
That's really cool. Now we could jump it right about now.
I want to go swimming in the water.
What? No. That's cool. Imagine the mechanics inside that, making that move. That's gotta be huge.
Yeah.
The gears and everything.
Yeah,
What are you doing, little man?
that works. Look at that.
Look at you all comfy.
All right, come on.
Nap time. How is it? Oh. We can't just. You're funny. Yeah, I know. Holy shit, look at the maps on these things. Now, as you remember the story I told you about Wausau being the Great Pinery, and they had spruce trees 300 feet tall. This is what the trees were cut down for. That whole area supplied mast for ships all over the Great Lakes.
Yeah, you never told me that.
Yes, I did. Look at these.
Where's the service call? And the black. And the
Tattoos. More tattoos.
Oh.
Got in my pocket.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, look at the line for this.
Yeah.
We're gonna be here all day waiting in line. That's fine. That's the line.
That is amazing. That's a replica of the Santa Maria.
We'll come back for it. Don't you worry, buddy. Because of the wind, the plating stopped. We missed our picture.
Oh well.
Look how far it's moving.
Holy crap. Pretty cool, huh? It's a bilge pump, yeah. Pumping out water that it seeps in.
Look. So that's the rudder that's upstairs. You see the leather on there? Do you know why they put leather there? To help protect
That's amazing. Look at the size of that. Just look at it, huh?
Not play near the rope.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were there. That is a serious anchor.
Huh?
That's serious anchorage there. Wow. Picton cast. Oh yeah. Wow. Look. Europe, Africa, and Caribbean. Sailing May 2020. Join us. That is a big ship.
Yeah.
Jackson.
I can see my mom.
Oh, it sucks. You know, like,
There's a pelican.
you can't get close.
Where is it?
Like the other.
And where did he go? Oh, he's over there. Oh well. God.
I want to walk up now.
That's a lot of money to wreck right there. Wow.
That like $1 or something?
Yeah.
I have to pull out the whole thing.
Jack, come here.
Wait, Jack, come here. Just leave.
The treasure box.
You want to go put $1 in her treasure box? Keep an eye on her. She looks like a sneaky one.
Get him, get him.
Down.
Thanks for making my booty bigger.
Ah, she got
Your
you.
grown-ups to the crocodiles. There's
Oh.
green ones there in Green Bay. All right, do it to picture. Do it to picture. Go get a picture.
Yep. So we're at the museum over here. We're gonna be going in there in a little bit after we watch another drawbridge. So we've got this tugboat here, and then it looks like the Christine Rose from Bering Sea Gold.
Guys, I said. Guys,
Oh, and we got a jet.
what's that?
Alright guys, so we are done with the museum. We're over there at the Neville Public Museum. It was okay, not great.
I can't wait for that mammoth exhibit.
Well, the mammoth exhibit won't be open until next year, so it really wasn't all that good. And, you know, I'm gonna bitch and moan because I'm not happy with the way they organized this tall ship festival. We couldn't even get on to see a boat. I mean, there were lines literally wrapping around the whole freaking park, and it's kind of ridiculous. So wasted some money, but you know, it was kind of cool. We got to see some really cool ships, I will say that.
And it was a
But now we're
pirate
on,
ship.
yeah, it was a pirate ship. And now we're on the, what trail is this? Heritage Packer Trail or GreenBay Heritage Trail.
Yeah.
Anyway, so there's the downtown of Green Bay right there. And we're on the, I believe we're on the west side of the Menominee River, or the Fox River. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know where I am. I'm lost.
We're on A side of the
Amanda's wandering around here.
That is.
Oh yeah?
In 91.
That's cool. Take a picture.
Oh, can you? I would like you to put all your shit down and stand next to it. And I want to take a picture.
So, you know, the funny thing is, like, I have a sister that lives in town, and I have honestly never been downtown. Never explored it. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to go walk down to this bridge over here, cross it, then walk downtown. And I know my sister, she only works just right, she's works at a law office down here. And I know where it is if I see it. So maybe we'll swim by and say hi. I don't know yet. Probably wouldn't be the most professional thing to do. But oh, they're so pretty, buddy. Yeah. All right, let's keep going, guys. Come on. All right, getting sidetracked here.
Oh, no, I thought that was gonna be easy.
Oh, we can really see the tall ships. Apparently one of these ships, I don't know which one, went under the Leo Frigo Bridge, whatever that is. Big blue bridge off 141 South, if you guys look at the map. And one of these ships was only 8 inches from the top of, or the bottom of the bridge, from hitting it. So, that's a pretty big deal. Look at this frickin' popple tree. Oh yeah, look, there's the popple tree. I've never seen one like this before. And then there's a willow. Actually, you know what? These are the exact same trees that are in Grandpa's old woods. Quack, quack. Wow, they really did a good job of keeping these living. Usually they die off. Alright, anyway, let's continue on our little hike here. Yeah, I see them. Oh. We're going rabbit hunting. Alright, so now we're on the waterfront on the other side. We were right over there. Now we're back over on this side. The splash pad. Oh, cool. Beautiful buildings. What a great spot. Looks like they're gonna have a band. You're never gonna get back up from that, honey.
That's why I picked the one with the railing.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Just the perfect height.
I slid.
Yeah?
I'm literally like,
And Jackson joined himself. He's climbing up them.
alright, hang on. There we go.
Yeah, I know. I said that already.
We could bobble him.
Well, he looks comfortable. I'm gonna have to get one. Alright, so now we're trying to get out of town. They closed off the main drag. So we're trying to find our way. We're driving right through the main drag of Green Bay here.
Downtown.
Downtown. I believe it's Washington Street. Yeah, it is Washington Street.
Oh, look at the sail moving.
Oh, that's cool.
You'll
We're
see it
looking
better.
at a
as-
sculpture here. You guys can't see it, but it's really neat.
Maybe it make up paper.
And we ended up in a hotel. I have no idea how, but we got to really explore the area, the town.
Don't move. Oh, he's going behind. Okay.
Okay.
Well, I thought he was gonna come across.
We got another fire truck thing behind us. Fire truck, pickup truck.
Jackson, you need to sit on your butt and stop getting up.
Oh no, it's been, we've had fun, but the kids have been extremely stressful. Ezzy not so much, but Jack.
I was going to say one in particular.
Jack, really, man. You know how to drive a dude to insanity. I've said this before, I'll say it again. He reminds me of Stuart. It's ridiculous.
This is a Hot Wheel car.
Yeah, you don't know it. It's a Mad TV show. It's totally inappropriate, but hilarious.
And it's way before your time.
And scary.
It's not scary.
You make it move.
What is she doing?
She's covering her face.
Or he.
I'm covering. That's a girl.
Oh my god. One thing we noticed when we were walking, I saw 2 park benches with blankets stuffed underneath them. So I can only assume that there's a lot of bums too.
Saw one sleeping. That guy there. He was passed out at that chair.
Was he?
Mm-hmm.
So he's loitering, smoking reburns. They got something going on. They got
No, he didn't. Like a beer festival thing. I don't know. It said Friday on the Fox, I think it said.
Yeah,
I think
something
it's
like
a
that.
summer thing they do every Friday.
Well, not to mention they have the ship festival here too, so there's definitely something going on for that as well. I know they have fireworks going on tonight.
Yay, I want to see fireworks.
We're not going to be here that long.
We don't. Our mama's got to work in the morning. We can't really do that. No, honey, I have to work in the morning.
Mommy has to go to bed by the time they start the fireworks. Well, we're going to be here for a while.